Yo, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. Today we're finally doing the Bimmercode video, a requested video that you guys actually wanted me to do for the F10. So I'm going to be telling you guys 5 things that I would code with Bimmercode. The first 5 things that I would code are like the top ones for the F10. And yeah, guys, let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the actual top 5, maybe 6 things that I would do. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what they actually are, and then after that, if you guys would like to stick around for the end, I'll go ahead and show you guys how to code everything. But for the first one, guys, if you go ahead and lock the car, sometimes it works on the first lock, sometimes you gotta press it twice. But as you guys can see, the mirrors fold. Go ahead and unlock it, mirrors open, lock it, mirrors fold. I think that's something that's super cool. For the next one, I have it so that the angel lights or the halos are on at 100% brightness all the time. Whether it's just the halos on or at night when the actual low beams turn on. At all times, guys, halos are at 100% and it looks so sick. You can always see them, and I think that just looks a lot better having them this bright instead of having them a little bit dimmer. But yeah, that's gonna be the second one, guys. The rest are actually gonna be inside the car, so let's go ahead and go inside. So for the next one, guys, is gonna be the digital speedometer on the cluster. This is not really something you need, it's just kind of cool to have it. When you're driving, you guys can see right there, it says 0 miles per hour. When you're driving, it actually goes to whatever speed you're at. Again, it's not really something you need or anything like that. It's just kind of cool to have it there. For the next one, it's actually going to be on the iDrive. I don't know if you guys can see that too good, it's really sunny out right now. So you guys can hear the AC or the car on. If I film this with the car off, I'll probably faint in here, but for this next one, guys, you can code it so it actually shows the PSI and the temperature for each tire. Mine doesn't actually work right now because the new wheels I got, they don't come with the right sensors for my car. So that's why I get the tire pressure monitor light. But it was super cool to have this year when I actually had my old tires on, because those had the right sensors. But yeah, basically it shows the PSI and the temperature for each individual tire. Which I think is super cool. For the next one, guys, is gonna be the sport displays. So I don't know if it's mine just because like it's an older model or whatever, because mine's a 2011, but I'm on stage 2 plus and it's still showing 320 horsepower. Not too sure why, but yeah, besides that though, I think it looks pretty cool. I know the newer ones, like the newer iDrives, look a lot better, but it's still kind of cool to have that there while you're driving. And for the last one that I would do, guys, is when you have the car running, as soon as you turn it off, I'm not too sure if you guys heard that or not, but it automatically unlocks all the doors for you to let you and your passengers out. So I think that's super cool. But yeah, guys, that's the last one. Now let's actually go ahead and show you guys how to code it. Alright guys, so now I'm actually going to show you guys how to code everything. So I use the V-Gate iCar Pro, guys. I'm going to go ahead and plug this into my car, and then I'll have a link to this in the description if you guys want to pick up the same one, if you don't already have one. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and click connect. It's connecting right now. And then it should ask for your car. There you go. So we're gonna go ahead and click on F10 from 2010. Click continue. Checking terminal status. Now it's gonna go ahead and read through your VIN and your vehicle order, basically checking exactly what options you have available to code. This takes about like 2 minutes, so it doesn't take too long. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let this load, and then we'll get into it when it's actually done loading. All right, so now it's finally done loading. So the first one we're gonna do is gonna be the folding mirrors. For this one, you want to go down to foot mode module, click on there. It's going to load. This usually takes a couple seconds, it doesn't take too long. I'm going to let this load. Alright, so it's done loading. From here, you want to go down and go to folding mirrors, and then you want to do fold mirrors with convenient closing, active. It should be not active. You want to go to active, and then from there, you just want to go to code on the top right, and then confirm coding. For this, guys, you're gonna want to have your seatbelt on. I'm not too sure why, but it doesn't really work unless you have your seatbelt on. The coding will actually fail, and then it'll make you try again. But yeah, that's gonna be for the folding mirrors. Since we're here already, we're gonna do the angel brightness. So in the same place, the full module, if you go all the way to the top, it says angel eyes brightness low beam. So this is how bright it's gonna be when the low beam's on. I'm pretty sure it's already at 100% when it's just the halos on, but when the low beam's on, they go down. I'm not too sure how much they go down, but I have mine at 100%. You can have it at 100, 16, 10, 8, or 6. Again, I keep mine at 100. want to click on 100, and then again code. You can actually code these two options at the same time if you wanted to do those. But yeah, that's gonna be for those two guys. Now let's move on to the next one. Actually, now that I remember, I think the daytime running lights, if you guys can see right here, I believe that's gonna be the actual angel lights when it's just the angel lights on without the halos. I'm pretty sure that's how it is. I have that one at 100% also. So yeah, that might be what that is. So you probably want to have both of those coded to 100%. Just to make sure. Now for the digital speed, guys, we're gonna go back to the main like menu here, and you want to go down to instrument cluster. Click on that one. Again, let it load. It takes a few seconds, not too long, but we're gonna let it load. And now that it's loaded, if you guys go all the way on top where it says digital speed in board computer, click on there and then activate it. It should come non-activated from the factory. You want to go ahead and click on activate, so that will actually give you the digital speedometer on the cluster, so you can see what speed you're at when you're driving. Again, it's not something you really need, it's just kind of neat to have it there. So yeah, that's how you do that one, guys. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next one. All right, guys, again, back to the main menu. For this next one that we're at, it's actually going to be sport displays. You want to go into head unit. I'll let this load real quick. Now here, if you go down to where it says sport displays, you want to go ahead and click on that, and then from there, again, activate it. It's going to come non-activated from the factory. Just go ahead and activate it, and that will actually give you the sport displays on the iDrive, guys. So for the last one, guys, you actually want to go into car access system, and then we're gonna let it load real quick. Now that it's loaded, you want to go all the way down to where it says doors/windows, and then unlock doors automatically and lock doors automatically. Those are like the two. I would do both like together, but unlock doors automatically, you want to go ahead and click active. It's really cool that when you kind of like turn off the car, it automatically unlocks all the doors, letting you and your passengers out, so you don't have to pull the lever twice or click the unlock button. But yeah, that's gonna be the last one, guys. Now that I do see here, you might have to activate this fold/unfold mirrors automatically. You might have to activate this one too, not just in the other module. It's because a lot of things have changed since the last time that I coded, because I coded it a while back. But yeah, there you go, guys. Those are the top 5 or 6 things that I would code on your F10. These are the first ones that I would do if I were to get like another F10 or something. But yeah, there you go, guys. But yeah, guys, those are the 6 things that I would do to my F10 when I first get it, if I were to get another one. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, guys. If you have any other video recommendations or anything you guys want to see, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Sorry for the delay in the videos, guys. I don't really have too much content to post at the moment, so uploading is getting a little bit slower, but hopefully we can go back up into uploading 2-3 times a week. With all that being said, guys, I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that, guys. And without further ado, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.